So today I will not go into the details with the Excel sheet,
Okay.
but this is the overall project. It's a presentation I made to BMW Group. Okay. So this time the project is DTOS.
Okay.
The current project we have is a giveaway, and
Okay.
DTOS is a dealer tools ordering system. And
Mm-hmm.
the difference between giveaway and dealer tools is giveaway is you give away when the consumers come to the showroom and
Okay.
test drive or look at the cars, so you know the products.
Okay.
Dealer tools are those tools inside the showroom. So,
Mm-hmm.
for example, catalog, direct mails, or flags, or maybe sometimes wet tissues or cups, and all these things that's necessary for the dealers to do the operation. So there are many, about 2,000 SKUs,
Mm-hmm.
and order amount is order frequency is very huge and very
Mm-hmm.
quick. And
Mm-hmm.
so comparing with the giveaway web shop, the movement of the purchases are much more quicker and frequent and more SKU than the giveaway web shop. So this is we have to keep in our mind.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And I will skip this. This is the picture of the business process. In the middle here is our DTOS system that we will develop together,
Mm-hmm.
Hiromori and Strata's DTOS system.
Mm-hmm.
And who uses the system is the dealers, person in charge.
Mm-hmm.
So looking at the web shop of the dealer tools, they will place orders and
Mm-hmm.
they will check the order status and history and all these things. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that's very straightforward.
Okay.
The brands are BMW
Mm-hmm.
Mini
Mm-hmm.
and also BMW Motorrad. Motorrad is a automobile, it's a motorbike
Mm-hmm.
brand, and there could be some BMW finance team who may
Okay.
purchase some. So
Okay.
okay, and so this is the users, and once the orders are placed, instruction of the shipping instruction will go to the logistic companies. We
Mm-hmm.
are not going to handle the logistic company. Um, so what we do is just provide the system. So the system will give the shipping instruction to the logistic companies, and there's not just one. The major company is Nanso Logistic, which is in the middle. But there will be about 5 to maybe 6 different logistic company.
Mm-hmm.
Some may be manufacturer of the products, the dealer tools products manufacturer. They will keep it in their warehouse and ship directly to the dealers.
Okay.
So we have multiple logistic companies,
Mm-hmm.
and so we have to provide management system for
Mm-hmm.
each logistic company,
Okay.
and those logistic company will handle their own specific products. Okay,
Okay.
so product A will be handled by this logistic company. Product
Mm-hmm.
B will be handled by this logistic company, and
Okay.
they will only see their own products shipping instruction. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is a
Mm-hmm.
bit different part from the giveaway workshop.
Okay.
And shipping arrangements will be done here. And um, for this, the logistic company would like to input the cost of packaging and shipping cost. And
Mm-hmm.
so this means a giveaway web shop, all these costs are included. So it's only just one price, and
Mm-hmm.
there's no additional cost to the dealers. But for
Mm-hmm.
this details business,
Mm-hmm.
logistic company will input for each shipment how
Mm-hmm.
much the packaging costs are and how much the shipping costs are on the system,
Mm-hmm.
and this will be charged to the dealers in later on in the invoicing part. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so shipping is done and delivered to the dealer's location. It could be a showroom address, or it could be some other address. So we want them to be able to um, give us where the products want to be shipped out to. Okay, so this is
Okay.
also another a bit different part from the giveaway.
Okay.
Once the products are received, BMW company, this is the head office of BMW,
Mhm.
they will invoice for the tools that that's been delivered. Okay,
Okay.
and so BMW will be buying the products
Mhm.
from the suppliers,
Mhm.
and they're going to be keeping the products in these logistic companies.
Mhm.
And once the orders are placed by the dealers and delivered, BMW will invoice to the dealers.
Okay.
So BMW wants to have the invoicing information,
Mhm.
and together they need a packing list for each showroom
Mhm.
this month. How much shipment, how much orders were placed from this specific showroom,
Mhm.
and they want to have the total list of the invoice amounts and also the product detail in a packing list format. Okay,
Okay.
so this is also another different part. The payment will go to BMW company from the dealers. Okay,
Okay.
and
Is the
yeah,
payment
go
in
ahead.
offline or do we need to integrate any gateways?
Yes, originally they said they want to integrate
Mhm.
this detox system with the BMW company's ERP system.
Mhm.
But from my experience with the giveaway,
Mhm.
this is a very difficult process. And so I explained that to BMW, and they eventually said there's no need to integrate the detox system with their ERP
Okay.
system.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. Yeah, please ask me whatever you have any questions. Okay, please
Sure.
stop me.
Sure.
Yeah,
And
and
one more
go ahead.
question: the shipping cost and packaging cost.
Yes, here.
When you actually place the order, are we able to see that, or it's only after placing the order?
Yes, it's only after placing the orders. So when the dealers place orders, they will not see the shipping cost or the packaging cost.
Okay.
But once they place the orders, and when the logistic company ships out, these figures will input into the system. Then the dealers, when they go to the order history, they will see the packaging cost and shipping
Okay.
costs in the
Okay.
order history. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. And also, there's another counterpart is DMO. This is a dealer management office.
Mhm.
It's basically a customer service run by advertising agency
Mhm.
uh, of BMW. Okay? This is not us. For the giveaway office, giveaway web shop, we are handling this
Okay.
customer service office, but
Mhm.
this time we don't do it.
Okay.
So these people, what they do is register the products, new products, for example, um, and changing the price and so on. And also, they want to place orders on
Mhm.
behalf of the dealers.
Okay.
So this process is a new function that we
Mhm.
want to put on top of the giveaway web shop. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And also, what I want to emphasize here is since we are not able to touch the operation, we are only the provider of the system.
Mhm.
So, whenever there's a problem in a
Mhm.
system,
Mhm.
um, so this customer service, which is run by ad agency,
Mhm.
they get all the complaints from
Mhm.
the dealers
Okay. Understood.
for us. And so we want to make sure that all the problems in the system, bugs, and all these things are solved before we provide this service. Of course, there will be some issues. I understand that, but since we are not able to, uh, touch the system day by day and communicate with you day by day and solve the problem at once, like what we do with a giveaway with the help of Sube and Goku. This is going to be a difficult when it comes to this detox process. So
Okay.
again, we want to solve all the problems beforehand. Okay, so that's yeah. Okay, so this is the overall process.
Okay.
System structure. This is basically what this is participants.
Okay.
Participants is the dealers and the showroom. There's a showroom manager. In the giveaway web shop, we call it billing person in charge. But for this detail system, we simply say showroom manager. Okay.
Okay.
So there's a manager. So he will have the admin authority. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, and underneath in showroom, there will be person in charge. Okay.
Okay.
So basically, this function is exactly the same as the giveaway webshop. I'm persuading BMW not to change this structure for the dealers and showroom. Okay? And another participant is the logistic companies. Again, there are about 5 to 6 different logistic companies. So each logistic company will see their own handling products only. Okay, so that's a different part about the giveaway. Okay, and each logistic company will have one login ID. This I want to have your idea whether we create the ID for them or we ask them to provide us the emails to log in or not. This I want to discuss with you how we provide the IDs to the logistic companies. Okay, so this is logistic company. And the third participant is BMW Japan and dealer management office, customer service office.
Okay.
Basically, this is the admin, what I would say super admin,
Yeah.
who handles everything.
Okay.
So they have to be able to see all the orders, what's going on with the dealer showroom, and also they have to be able to see all the logistic companies' transaction and so on. So they are super admin on both. Ability to access all the logistic information, okay, and all these things, okay.
Okay.
And this one, I think logging using individual emails because they have their own individual emails. So
Okay.
maybe this is not a difficult part.
Okay.
And also there is us as well.
Okay.
I would say this is a super admin, but
Okay.
basically I think it's going to be same as this.
Correct.
We
Yeah.
it's necessary for us to be able to see every transaction and so
Okay.
on. Okay, so
Okay.
these are the participants. Any questions so far? Okay.
No, not really. I think
Mhm.
for ordering on behalf, what
Yeah.
we could do is we can actually show the list of the companies in Super Admin, and maybe we can create an option to jump into their console, the the,
Uh,
the client console, and then we can actually do the order. But we just log that
oh,
this is ordered by DMO instead of the actual user. So we can
okay.
create something like that. I think that will be much easier.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to explain a bit more details on that part, okay, in a later
Okay.
stage. Yeah,
Okay.
about what our clients are looking for. Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. And next is the user structure. Again, I am persuading BMW to use the same structure and same the login structure as the BMW giveaway. So I'm telling them that in order to lower the cost, this is
Okay.
they must accept. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
the top dealer is the dealer corporation. They want to have a dealer code, so we can have this. Okay, so top layer is the dealer, and each dealer will have area. And now giveaway shop is west, central, and east. but it's going to be area 1 to 5, 6, and mini area 1 to 3, for example. So each brand will have a different area for each dealer. So this is a bit complicated part. Okay, so this is area belongs to dealer, and underneath the dealers there will be a showroom. Each showroom will have a showroom code. So we have to have this. And each showroom will have a showroom manager. Right now, giveaway shop is called billing person in charge. This time we want to call it showroom manager. He will have admin authority for the showroom that he is in charge of. Okay, and underneath the showroom there is a person in charge and registered by email. It's exactly the same as the giveaway web shop structure. Okay, is that okay so far?
Yeah, so
yeah.
far fine.
So the next is logging, and I am persuading a BMW group saying that we can have a single sign-on with the giveaway web shop and the DDoS web shop. So this is I'm saying this will be a very easy way for the dealers, because the dealers don't have to go to DDoS web shop for DDoS orders or giveaway for giveaway. They can just come here for both the giveaway and the DDoS. It's easy, and they can use the same email address, their personal email address. So once so each different URL will bring to this land page, and they will see this page. It's the same as the giveaway. They log in, and then next page they will see which showroom they want to go into. Okay. Right now, obviously, giveaway only shows the giveaway showrooms that they belong to, but for this a new system, we want them to see the DDoS. If they belong to DDoS web shop, they see the DDoS showrooms that they belong to, so they can pick either, and they go to the page. Actually, do you think this is a problem, or
we may need to see, because if it's two different URLs, and we may need to have a common login. If common login, then the underlying user database should be same. And when you add data, it should go to the same database. Let me think about it, then we'll see. Yeah.
The reason I did this is I don't want to have amendments in the giveaway web shop, because it's running. It's okay now. There's some minor issues sometimes, but Goku solves the problems very quickly for us. And so I don't want to cause any problems by having this DDoS. So I was thinking having a same entry page, but moving on to the different system will be better. Well, anyway, so this I need your ideas on this. Okay. And then if you select DDoS BMW or Mini, they will go to the DDoS BMW page, or the BMW Mini page, or Motorrad page. For the giveaway, we have a BMW new showroom and BMW old second-handed showroom. So right now, BMW Mini both have two different sites. For DDoS, whether we need BMW new and BMW second, Mini new and second or not, this I have to check. But that could happen. Okay, so I hope that you could keep that in your mind.
Okay.
From here, it's basically I'm following the current giveaway webshop interface. I try not to amend the current interface structure, but some thought functions we will need, because there will be like 2,000 SKUs in this DDoS system. So it's going to be very difficult for the users to find what they need. So therefore, this sort.
Sorry, I think we lost you. Google, are you able to hear Akis-san?
You hear me? Okay.
Yeah, it just came back. I think the voice went off for a moment.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
My problem. Yeah.
Okay.
So what kind of sort sort how do you say items we will have, I will let you know. Okay. Basically, it's going to be the product master database. Okay.
Okay.
So this is.
Akis-san,
Go ahead.
is it sort or filter by?
Is there a difference?
Sort is the arrangement order. Filter is you filter using something like, for example, if you select a category, only the category is shown.
Then what I mean is a filter then.
Oh,
so
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's going to be 2,000 SKUs. So we want to narrow down to what we want to show what they want.
Okay.
Yeah. So maybe filter is the right word. Yeah. And thanks for telling me. Yeah. Okay. So this. And basically this is same. Those I didn't translate means it's just for the explanation for BMW. No change. But what they want is price. They want to set at 0 sometimes. Okay. So it's a free of charge service from BMW to the dealers. So we want to be able to set 0. And indication of logistic company. So each products will have the logistic company designated. So we want to show which logistic company handles these products. And some indication of shipping costs, packaging fees is separately charged. So like your question, they would not see the packaging costs and shipping costs in this page. The tax, there's 8% and 10% and sometimes no tax. So this one, we have to change the function a little bit. I will add that part later on.
Is it based on the product or is
yes?
Okay.
Yes, you're right.
So ideally we can use a tax code against each.
Yes. Products. Yes. So in the product master database, there will be instruction of what's the tax percentage are. Yes. Yeah. Okay. And some item numbers and so on. Yeah. Okay. And here, the delivery address. The default setting is the showroom address information, which you will see. We want to be able to change. So this is a bit different from the giveaway. After final confirm, order will be confirmed and shipping instruction goes to the logistic company. So basically very straightforward. Yeah. And this will be the order history page. Basically, we follow the giveaway. Really, there's no change. I think we don't have to change. So this is all the history page. Showroom admin page. So showroom manager will have the access to this showroom administration page, which is we have the giveaway web shop. So they will see the order history. And also they will be able to change the members or showroom information for the specific assigned showroom. So this we follow the giveaway web shop. changing the password. This is also same as the giveaway. Email setting, there may be some additional emails we want to send out. So this, as we go on, I want to finalize what emails would go out from the system. Okay. That's it really for the users part. Yeah, I think the difficult part is the for the user's perspective, the products. This part.
Okay.
This I try to translate. Probably this product data spec. There will be some additional information that we want to put in the products. And so this will be a bit, we have to go in details later on. Okay. So this is the users. Okay, if I may proceed. Next is the admin system for customer service office and BMW Japan. Okay. Basically, this is the same as the current giveaway, and area setting. Like I said, it will be a different area information set. Okay. And this is what is this? This is a showroom registration. So this we will follow the current basically current giveaway, but there will be some additional requirements on the showroom level, which I would like to discuss a bit in detail later on.
Okay.
For example, like invoice code and so on. Okay. So anyway, system structure, basically the same as the giveaway web shop.
Okay. I guess I have one question.
Please go ahead.
The showrooms for Mini and BMW will be same as the Motorrad, or it's a different set of showrooms?
It's going to be a different. It could be in the same address.
Okay.
But it could be next to each other. BMW here, next to it is a Mini. Was that your question?
Okay, because if you consider the single sign-on, we will try to capture it as along with the same backend system, so that the same login will actually work along with the showrooms.
Okay.
So I was just thinking that whether it's if this particular set of additional details, if that is okay to come up in the Mini and the Mini and BMW, or it's not required.
What does that look like actually?
For example, on the existing system, there are less fields, correct? Can we keep it as an optional field in the other systems too, or need not be required?
Actually, I think I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Okay,
Sorry.
then maybe I will explain in the summary we'll be creating. We can just proceed.
If you show me the screen, that will make me much easier for me to understand.
Sure.
I really appreciate any advice that you may have, because you're the professional on the systems. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for any suggestions. Okay. This is showroom registration, and also this is user registration, exactly the same as the giveaway.
Okay.
Yes, this user could have admin authority, which is it's a check a little bit below here, but exactly the same is okay. Okay, and this is the product registration for the admin office. So basic structure is okay. The current giveaway is we input product info, picture info, and brand setting, brand Mini, second new BMW new Motorrad brand setting. We have price setting, we have a delivery date setting and inventory info setting. So this could be the same as the current giveaway. The DMO office wants to be able to search the products in a bit more in details. We do have the search function right now with the current giveaway, but they want some dates and yeah, some specific information. Okay, so we talk about this later. And also, okay, and some products master page, a master database. We want some additional information from the giveaway webshop. Okay. Okay. And this is order management page. For this part, the customer service office wants to have search function also, because there's going to be lots and lots of orders, and they want to be able to search what they want from the list. So they want to have something like this. These are current search functions they're using. I think we want to follow this kind of structure.
Okay.
And order management, change the quantity, cancel order. This is what they require, and we already have in the giveaway. So basically, there's no need for the change. And download packing list and purchase orders. Currently, we have the product order-wise. We are able to download the packing list and also the purchase orders. This is great. We can maintain that. And also, they want to download the packing list for the specific showroom. For the I will touch that later. Yeah.
Okay.
So order-wise and also the showroom-wise, the packing list they require. Okay. This is download all the orders into CSV file. We already have that in giveaway, so that's
okay. Akis San, on the previous screen, one screen back. Okay, we will have a separate packing list for each of the dealers, right? It could be one order, but can be fulfilled from different dealers. So we may need to have different packing lists for each dealer, correct?
Yes. It's probably going to be for each showrooms. So, for example, for July, for this showroom A, we had all these orders which came from different person in charge. So the list of orders in July for this showroom that data will be given to BMW, and based on that, they will issue the invoice to this showroom or the dealers for the payment, and so that's the purpose.
Okay.
Yeah. I think I will touch that again later on in the invoicing part. Okay. So this is a downloading all the information for the admin office. Good. And this is the news part, which we don't have in giveaway. Management office wants to send a message to each different page, a different information. So information for BMW, information for Mini, information for Motorrad, or it could be BMW new or second. So this is the new function we want to create. And I was thinking at the bottom, because the top space is limited, at the bottom, we want to show the news. Okay. Yeah. So admin office will write down in text space, and this will appear in the news column part. Yeah.
Okay. Is it on specific showrooms or based, or the mini or the major classification based?
Yes. Thank you for asking. Yeah. I'm quite sure it's going to be based on for the brand, specific brand.
Oh, okay. So
So
brand
yeah,
based. Okay.
yeah, brand based. So BMW new, BMW second, Mini new, Mini second, Motorrad. I don't know if they have new or second. Yeah,
Okay.
and also maybe for all. So I think we want to be able to select the brand.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, message. Yeah, yeah. Okay. So this we want to discuss. This is the bulk orders. Um, this is what I mentioned by DMO office, customer service office, will
Mhm,
place orders on behalf of the dealers and showroom. So
mhm,
what this means is um, it means so the BMW head office
mhm,
wants to force the dealers to buy the specific products.
mhm,
They dealers cannot say I don't want it. so
mhm,
they must have. So this
mhm.
on behalf of the dealers means so that purpose. Okay,
Okay.
so they want to force the dealers to purchase.
Okay.
So um, so this what I was thinking. Okay, this how do we do it in the system process?
Mhm,
I'm really open to any suggestions you may have.
mhm,
The process I thought would be starting from the products. So DM office will
mhm,
select
mhm,
which products they want to have the bulk orders, and so
mhm,
select the products and
mhm,
select the quantity. How many quantities we
mhm,
enforce the dealers to buy, and
mhm.
we select the dealers.
Uh-huh.
If it's all the dealers, we just select all the dealers.
Oh,
And
okay. Okay. Got it.
yeah, and they may want to say for this dealer, they don't want to send out to this showroom. So underneath the dealer, they want to maybe able to click and take off the mark. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so in these showrooms, we will send to these 4 showrooms only. Okay.
Okay. So,
And also
okay.
another complicated part is they want to be able to change the quantity. So, for
Mhm,
example, here at the first stage, they put 20 pieces.
mhm,
All the showrooms will see 20 pieces, but the MO may say, for this showroom, we want to send out 30 pieces. For this one,
mhm,
50 pieces.
mhm.
So this is a bit complicated, and this is going to be quite a development part. But this is
Okay.
kind of function that
Okay.
they want to have in digital system.
Okay. Okay. So basically, they will process only one product at a time, correct? So one
Um,
product and multiple orders.
I was thinking in that way. If
Uh-huh.
there's other way, for example, multiple products, that is also if that's possible, that
Okay.
is also accepted. I'm not sure if that kind of
Okay.
ordering is actually happens or not, but
Okay.
it could happen, and it's much
Okay.
more user friendly than individual products,
Okay.
process. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
So primarily the focus is you select one particular product that actually need to
Yes.
push to all the dealers. So you select
Yes.
quite a lot of number of dealers and then just push it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. I was thinking that way, and I explained to BMW in that way, and they said,
Okay.
yeah, they accepted
Okay. Okay.
my
Okay.
process. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So it's not like a regular user come and browse for different products and create one order. Instead, you technically create multiple orders for different dealers, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Multiple dealers. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You're right. But
Okay.
also, this function can be used for one specific showroom as well. So
Okay.
if
Yeah.
we want to place it on behalf, you just select this one, just one
Okay.
showroom, and
Okay.
then orders will be placed. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's this part. And next is download invoice data. Yeah. This is the invoice part. This we already have with a giveaway web shop. So BMW wants to have this at the end of the month, well, at the first date of the month, they want to have the previous month's invoice data downloaded in the format of their ERP system, and we just download in CSV. Okay.
Okay.
So they will process this by themselves. We don't integrate with the ERP system.
Okay.
Okay. And if we could automatically put this CSV download into their designated folder, that would be very easy for us. But we can, if that's not possible, our team will have to download every month and put it in a designated folder of BMW Japan for this invoice CSV.
Okay. When you mentioned about the folder, is it an FTP in a system? Then we can actually push it.
Oh, you can? Okay.
Yeah. If it's an FTP system, usually if they're using SAP, definitely they'll be having a FTP file communication. Then we can actually upload the file there.
Okay, let me write FTP. I don't know what FTP, but
it's a file transfer protocol. It's specifically made for files. So there are standard FTP service, and you can actually connect to a server and push the files, but the file will go to the regular folder.
I see. Yeah, I think that will be the best for us as well. Yeah.
Usually, if it's SAP is very much using FTP folders.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Maybe you can write it as SFTP, that is Secure FTP. That is the standard in the
SFTP, secure.
Secure file transfer protocol. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I really need those advices. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. And at the same time, packing list they would need. So if we can do the SFTP transfer for the packing list. So for each showroom for this months, they will have this invoice data and the packing list. That would be great. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me know. Okay. And next is a logistic company admin system. Again, this is the two types for each individual logistic company, and as a super admin for customer service office. Okay. This is shipping information CSV update. We already have this, but I want to add shipping cost and packing list cost. They want to be able to upload this by the CSV. So hoping to add 2 columns here.
Okay.
Yeah. And we were discussing inside the teams. For example, one order, there will be multiple products. So one order, like 4 items, A, B, C, D items. If it's just one shipment, we will write down the shipping cost and packaging costs for one shipment. So that is straightforward. But there could be a case that we need to divide into 2 shipments, today and tomorrow. So AB today, a product AB today, and a product CD tomorrow. How do we, so that if that case happens, there will be two shipping costs and two packaging costs. How do we instruct that?
Uh, how many shipping is normally possible on a single order?
This honestly, I don't know.
Okay.
Giveaway workshop, for each order, we only have basically one shipment. For
Okay.
DDoS, we don't know the operation. But so we can assume maybe two or three.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go shipment 1, shipment 2, shipment 3, different columns, so at least they can be easily segregated.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So
Maybe we'll
this
give some 3 or maybe 5 standard columns, and we'll see.
Okay. This once we get the project, I will understand the current operation, and I will try to give you more clear instruction about the actual operation that they do currently. Okay. So that you have a better understanding. Yeah.
Okay.
And next is download shipping instruction sheet. So this we also have in a giveaway.
Okay.
So they will use this information to ship out. Okay. Same as giveaway. And download packing this. So this will be individual orders.
Okay.
Yeah, they will have to print out. We never have the case where we divide the shipping packing list. If such case happens, we have to make manually maybe. I don't know. I will check the current operation giveaway. But basically,
but but usually there is a chance that people select from different providers, and then create the order, correct? So we may need the splitting of the packing list.
Yes. So for example, one order, product ABC, for example. Product A could be from logistic A, product B from logistic B, and product C from logistic C. That happened. So one line each will show for individual logistic company basis. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Okay, so this is download packing list, and this is after shipping is completed, after delivery is completed. This is the same as what we have right now with the giveaway. We write down shipping date, tracking number, courier company URL, delivery completed dates, and shipping completed date, and so on. Okay, so this we want to have the same using the CSV. And this is updating inventory information. We also have this, but inventory I want to discuss a bit more in details. We don't use an inventory system so strictly now for the giveaway, but this time it's not our inventory. So this system we have to be more accurate, and this I want to discuss a bit more on this. Okay. This is input shipping cost. So this is another function they require. So this needs quite a development, and this is about inputting the cost and packaging cost in the user interface. Previously, I mentioned the CSV update. They also want to have this update function in the user interface.
Okay.
So it will look like, so I'm the logistic company person in charge. I will see what the shipments we have to do today. And in this screen, I will write down, okay, for this shipment, how much for the packaging, how much for the shipping cost. Okay. Yeah, so this is required.
Okay.
Do you think this is
That should be
Um,
okay. Yeah.
this is okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Nice to hear. Okay. And data transfer. This is explanation to BMW
Mhm.
Group Japan.
Yeah.
We yeah. So we are saying the database of the BMW giveaway, the
Mhm.
dealer information,
Mhm.
showroom information, we will transfer to the new details web shop.
Okay.
So yeah, this is a very difficult part, but we have the information, so we said we will transfer,
Okay.
duplicate, and also add the necessary information, which, for example, Motorrad we don't have, so we have to put the
Okay.
information. So we would do this
Okay.
on their behalf. Okay. So for this, I will give you the list of the data
Okay.
for the new additionals.
Okay.
Um, this is okay. So this is about from the old details web shop. They have so many products information.
Okay.
They want to transfer this.
Mhm.
They said they can download this into CSV,
Mhm.
and so we will upload this information into the new details workshop.
Okay.
There's going to be 2,000 or maybe 3,000 SKUs. Okay,
Uh-huh.
and the the difficult part is there's going to be a product feature data,
Mhm.
and um, since this is 2,000 SKUs,
Mhm.
we don't want to do this manually.
Okay.
How to do this, I don't know. So I really need your advice on this.
Okay.
So it's going to be in the form of JPEG or some other picture
Mhm.
format,
Mhm.
and we will put it in a folder which the product codes are shown. So
Okay.
so your teams will understand what these
Yeah.
pictures are for.
Yeah.
And I'm
If
hoping
some
strategy team.
matching names are there, for example, product code is
Mm,
the image name, then we can
mm,
simply pick it up. Should be okay. We can write
that
a
should be
script to actually pick it up.
okay. That is great. That is great. Okay. Okay. So this is uploading the picture part. Okay. There's bugs. This is what I mentioned at the first part. The bugs needs to be solved, and I was thinking using a third-party bug tracking service company. I don't know how you call it, but I
Okay.
know there's a company who checks all the processes and make sure the bugs don't come up.
Mhm.
Um, do you have such kind of third-party companies you can work with? Or
Let me check with Avish,
mm,
because when we actually developed Wacom store in Japan, we actually
mm,
engaged a company. Maybe
mm,
we can. Let me just cross check with Avish too. Then
yeah,
I will update you on that.
yeah. So for this, I want to. We need to
Yeah.
pay to you
Yeah.
if we require this. Okay.
Yeah.
So
They're purely a testing company, and they will check all the workflows, all the combinations
mm,
on the catalog, etc.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is and the schedule. Schedule is let me make this bigger. So the next stage there will be announcement on 8th of August
Okay.
saying you are the candidate,
Okay.
and they will start the negotiation of purchasing department negotiation means price negotiation. So,
Mm.
um, so yeah, and um, my partner in my customer in Mini,
Mhm.
we are very close, and
Okay.
he called us and he said we are the top
Okay.
in a candidate.
Okay.
So it's most likely it will come to us. So
Okay.
he asked us to get ready. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
the final decision will be September, end of September.
Okay.
But we will see more firm information at the
Okay.
early stage. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And go live is much the first, so we don't have so much time.
Okay.
So um, this understanding of the current operation I mentioned here. This is our job to
Okay.
discuss with BMW Japan, the current customer service office, and also the
Okay.
logistic companies, what their operations are, and convey to you
Okay.
to have it in the system.
Okay.
So that's it. Okay, that's it. And if you're okay, Ashley,
Okay.
can we continue for maybe 20 minutes?
Yeah. Sure. Sure. No issues.
Is it okay?
Yeah. Fine. Fine. No issues.
So, I will not go into the details
Mhm.
of the specification of it. I tried to translate for you. I'm
Mhm.
reading the Japanese, so it's a bit difficult to see, but there will be English
Okay.
translation for you to
Okay.
understand.
Okay.
And Aki's comment is my comment, and
Okay.
other comments are made by the BMW Japan.
Okay.
So if there is any change or important information, you should look at my comments.
Okay.
This says this function is not necessary,
Okay.
and so on.
Okay.
And yeah, and the important points I wanted to touch. This is the product data specification. So this is the product master's
Okay.
um, data structure.
Mhm.
Um, so quickly going through, there's a product number, main category,
Okay.
and there's going to be a subcategory like fair name. Fair
Okay.
name is a campaign name, promotion name, and so on. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
There's a product name, and this three, it's not necessary, right? Okay. If I
Okay.
say it's not necessary, it's not necessary. Okay.
Okay. Uh,
Um,
Akisan, one doubt on subcategory. When you
yeah.
say fair name, etc., or even
Mm.
name, etc., one product can have multiple fair names, or it's only one.
Fair name is going to be just one,
Okay.
but for each product, they want to have some special information. I don't know what that is,
Okay.
but maybe the objective of the products, for example, it's um, uh, introducing introduction information to the consumers, for example, or the dealers. Um, um, Data tools, and for example, honestly I don't know, but they want to have this some category information for one product, each product. Yeah. So this will be basically a text base. I'm telling right now to BMW, not we have category master data. Yeah. So, but thank you for asking, and I will try to understand much more about
Okay.
what this is. Yeah, yeah, okay. And there will be a supplier name for each product. This we don't have in the giveaway. There will be a list of the suppliers, so we will have this supplier list given to you, and they have to be able to select from the pull down, okay, drop down. Sorry. And there's a unit for giveaway. We only have one pieces, but they want to say booklets or dozens or cases. So for each product, what's going to be shown in the product page of the user interface next to the quantity,
Mhm.
they will see this different unit. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah, and also the consumption tax rate. There's a 10%, 8%, and no tax percentage. So there's going to be a selection of three. And based on this information, again, in the product page, there's a tax calculation. They will see tax selected here. and all other information, invoice information, packing list information, they all see this tax rate. Okay. This minimum order type, this I don't know what this means, so I will have to check. No function, this is not necessary. Area attribute code. Okay, this is a bit complicated part, and they want to have area code on each product. Area code will be in the dealer level, and so by selecting this for this product, they will, for example, area 1 dealer will only see the products. So you see what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is area attribute code. Yeah.
Okay. And is it possible for one product to be in two different adjacent areas?
Very good point. Yeah, this I would have to, I think we have to assume there will be a multiple area code. Yeah,
So maybe we'll provide us a multi selection.
Yes, yes. Definitely, there's going to be a multiple. Yeah, you're right. Definitely, yes. Yeah. There's a purchase price. So this is with text space, product summary, product details. Okay, so there's two different layers in product information. URL, they want to show this in the product page, specification. So in the product's explanation page, right now we only have one column, but they want to divide into 4 different columns. So this is a bit different part from what we see in giveaway. Image files, this same as the giveaways, okay. I don't know how you say this, but there's a big picture for the top page, and there's a detailed products. We can put like 10 small pictures for each product. This is what they mean, okay. There's no need for the additional work on this, exactly the same as giveaways, okay. Reference URL, we already mentioned above. Contact email address, this is a supply information. Yeah, so this we can add. Stock well, this means
replenishment.
Yeah, so this will be the trigger for the purchase orders to the supplier. So this means when the stock level comes down to, for example, 20, automatically email will be sent to this supplier's address, and then once they receive, they will start the production. Okay, so like I said, inventory information, I said we have to be more accurate. So this relates with this kind of function that they require. And like I said previously, the difference between the giveaway and DTOS is SKU is much more huge than the giveaway. So it's at 2,000, 3,000. So they are very automatically run comparing with the giveaway. Giveaway, we only have 10 SKUs. So basically it's us doing manually using your system. But this is more automatic. So so inventory information has to be more accurate. So this I want to discuss as we go. So there will be a function of stop the sales. Okay, so if we check this box, the product sales will stop. Set as set as preparing for sales. These details I have to check what they mean, but basically they want to control how the product will be shown in the web shop. Either it's stopped or in the preparation stage, and so on. Okay, so this we want to have in the product master, and there will be so-called WBS code and GL account code. I don't know what this is, but we will input this information, okay? And this information will be shown in the invoice data and also the packing list data. Okay. Sales price, this is obviously sales price. Sales price don't come here in the giveaway webshop. So basically this will be same as the giveaway webshop. Sales price, set individual shipping. This says function not necessary, so we skip this. This part, display start. So from the admin side, they will prepare a few weeks ahead about registration of the products. Okay, they set this date, 2025, August 5th. Once August 5th comes, it automatically shows in the user interface. So display start function. This is a very new. And also sales start. So display start and sales start. This is different. So I have to check the details. So this is saying when the display starts, it will say coming soon.
Coming soon. Okay.
Sales are not started. Okay. Yeah. And sales end date. Okay, so it automatically ends the setting date. Okay. And this is saying what time do we stop the sales? And right now in our giveaway, I think we use 23:59 as a end finishing end date. I think this is better than using a 0000. Details right now uses a 0000, but I think 23:59 is better. Okay, I will let them know this. Display ends. This also is also automatic, and sales price. So this I don't know. It's a discount of the price. So maybe we do it manually, or whether they want some time setting or not. I don't know. I have to check on this. Okay.
It might be the strike off price. You show a price, strike it off, and update the sales price.
What does that? What does that mean? Yeah, it's like a discount.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. You're right. I don't know what this is. I have to check these details. Stock quantity. Okay. Inventory control flag. So this is also the complicated part. There is a flag saying 0 is no inventory management. So what does this mean? I don't know, but I can assume there's no inventory limit. So it could be a service or something like that. There's no limit in inventory.
Okay.
And one is with the inventory control, but no back order. No back order means there's no automatic order placement to the suppliers. Okay, I think this is what they mean. And when the stock runs out. Okay, so that's what it means. The 2 is with the inventory control, back order allowed. So this means the previous function, when the inventory comes to 20, automatically the email go to the suppliers and they start the production. Okay, orders accepted even when out of stock. Yeah, so this is also another different part from the giveaway. Giveaway, when the inventory comes to 0, the sales stops automatically. But here, for this 2, saying even if the inventory is 0, we continue receiving the orders. So this is quite a big change from the giveaway logics. Again, I need to understand more details about the current operation, so that I can give you more details, image about what this is saying. Okay. Rather than just assuming. Okay. Safety stock quantity. So this is the 20 I just mentioned is the safety stock quantity. So it's the trigger quantity. Manager emails. Limited quantity. So this is the interesting part. So they limit the maximum quantity. Okay. So minimal the quantity we have, and yeah,
Okay.
and deletion date. Yeah. Well, things like this.
Okay.
So actually, I will stop here. And I hope you can understand the overall image of
Okay. Okay.
what they're looking for. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And also I wrote down some admin functions.
Okay.
This is a filter function, search functions I just mentioned.
Okay.
3PL. I think I covered most of what's mentioned here.
Okay.
And so on. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. Are you looking for a pricing from our side at this point?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Well, give you frank open mind and thought was, I was thinking US dollar 50,000, and but if 50,000 is not enough, of course I have to pay to you. Okay. I don't want to squeeze you on this, but also I want to have the fair cost. You know.
Okay.
So yeah. So
we'll try to limit and try to see what is the best thing, because there are some modules need to be built newly.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. So
Okay.
that's it, actually. Yeah.
Let me sit with Google and map out the deviations from the current project, and we'll give you a detailed proposal.
Yeah. So yeah, is the bank and Goku
how much,
very busy?
it's okay. But what time you are expecting the proposal? Maybe next week, end of next week, and stuff. I can just plan it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whenever. Yeah, next week or that is okay.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
If you're going to go very higher than my expectation, try to let me know, warn me in advance, because I have to think about it. Yeah.
Oh, sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And yeah, I know Sabang and Goku is very busy, and thank you very much for the hard work for the boringness case. And are they okay? Actually,
Seems getting good now. There are recently some changes on the variant selection, etc. So I think it's coming good.
Okay. And actually, I hope you convey to Goku and Sabang, I'm sorry about Checo's email. I'm not sure if you're familiar with this,
no,
but
all part of the
she's a very good person. But sometimes she's in a lot of stress right now, under stress from the customers, and
okay.
she sometimes become hysteric. It's a lady thing. So don't say I mentioned it. But,
we can perfectly understand. Okay.
But what she mentioned in the email was not fair, and I sincerely apologize on behalf of Checo. Okay. And
no, because she was always nice to us when on the calls and all, so should be okay. We know her for quite a long time. Should be okay.
Yeah. Please. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Once things get more firm, let's have more frequent discussion. Okay.
Sure.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. All right. Okay. All right. Bye bye, Coco. Bye bye, Ashley. Yeah.